This is the new UI we have, and I believe it looks better. And this is what we have for our sign up page. And I'll create a fake account here. Santos, it's enough. I can put here santos at test.com and my password 123 123. Let's sign up. The very first thing you're going to see is that our home page changed, and I'm going to open the file and try to walk you guys through what I did to have things looking like that. Okay, I tried to comment on the code as much as I could so that when you guys are reviewing the code, it's going to be super easy for you guys to understand what's happening. And I tried to keep this as clear and clean as possible, right? So here we have, 1 second. Okay, here we have our home screen. I decided to separate these into sections. First, we have our custom app bar, which are these three icons here. I can expand this and you guys will see. Oops. I have our custom app bar here, and if I open, 1 second, before I forget, I changed the project structure as well. If you can see, we had two directories, one called commons and one another called components. I decided to change it to widget, screen, provider, and DB to make it easier. And on our widget, we just have a group of common widgets throughout the screens, and like this card, we may need to use this in other screens, so we don't have to be writing this code all of the time, right? So we have our custom app bar here, which is the first thing. If I go open it, you'll see that this is just these three icons here. Going back to our home page, we have our search widget, which is this text field here, right? And then we have our featured products. This is another widget, which is this list view builder. I just set the axis of this list view builder to horizontal, and I have these cards there. I can go and open up this section of the code, and if you see, we just have a list view builder that returns featured card, and a featured card is a widget for this card here, right? And it has name, price, and picture. Simple as that. And going again back to the home page, you have our product card, which represents this section here. And if I expand this, this is what you're going to get, the code to make this possible. One of the reasons why I didn't record while doing this is because we spent a lot of time working with the UI of the project, and now I'm trying to focus on the back-end structure of the project, right? The cloud functions, the Firebase stuff, HTTP requests if we need any, right? So and I wanted to make the project beautiful and ready to use so that you guys can use this for your potential customers. You can put this on your GitHubs as well, and to make it ready to use, simple put. And we have a new screen as well I created called the project details, and this looks way more better than what we used to have. And the code for this is here in the screens, and we have project details. Maybe I still need to organize this into widgets and the same way we did to our homepage, right? But we can do that together so you guys will understand what's going on. But here we have our image, the price, the colors. So the idea here is that on the admin side, when we set the colors are going to be displayed like this for the user, and the sizes are going to be displayed like that. Then we have the description, the buy now button, add to cart button, and to add this to our wish list. So this is all I did. This is all of the changes I've done. And from the next video, which is going to be coming up on Monday, we will start fetching our data from the database. But obviously we will need to change a bit the way we are storing our data into the database. We may need to add some additional information there, like for example, if you see here, we have this project on sale. So we will need to have a way to say, oh, set a product has a sale product, so that this will be displayed to the user on sale. And probably in the future we can even add the sale percentage, like 50% off and stuff. And we need to have a way to set some products as featured products, so that they will be displayed here as featured products, right? So guys, this was it. I just came here to show you guys, try to explain you guys what happened with our new UI. Tell you guys that we back Monday. Today is Friday. Monday we're going to have our first video on fetching the data from the database, but we will need to modify a bit the way we're storing the data on the database, and then we're going to fetch that to our user side of the app, right? So hopefully you did like this video, and if you did, don't forget to leave the thumbs up. Don't forget to activate the small bell button so you'll be notified every time I post.